nos invités, la délégation américaine, Monsieur le Président, Messieurs les chefs des établissements, Messieurs les professeurs, chers étudiants, Mesdames et Messieurs, our guests, American delegation, Mr. President, directors, professors, students, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Un partenariat innovant dans une région en pleine émergence. C'est l'âme de ce partenariat qui lie le Maroc et les États-Unis en ce grand projet Collegiate Entrepreneurship and Collaborative Strategies. Et aujourd'hui, c'est le grand jour, le jour du bilan, apport et perspectives pour ce projet. Un projet dans le cadre du partenariat entre l'École supérieure de technologie et Gateway Technical College. Un projet soutenu par USAID et HED. Mesdames et messieurs, c'est un honneur de vous souhaiter la bienvenue à cet événement. An innovative partnership in rapidly developing region. This is the soul of the partnership linking Morocco to the United States of America and the big project Collegiate Entrepreneurship and Collaborative Strategies. And today is the great day, the day of outcomes, contributions and prospects of this project. A project conducted as part of the partnership between the EST and Gateway Technical College with the support of USAID and HED. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to welcome you in this great event. And by the beginning, I invite Mr. the President to have a say. J'invite Monsieur le Président pour votre livre.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, I'm very happy and proud to be here. And I want to welcome our guests, partners, especially USAID, also Higher Education for Development, HED, and Gateway Technical College, and all our colleagues and our guests from United States. So you are welcome in your second country. Also, I am very happy to welcome our partners and especially CGM, Mr. Mrabat, and all our friends. We try to work together. I am also very happy to welcome my colleagues, deans, directors, professors, our students that we are proud with, and all our guests. So you are welcome in this very important meeting. I just to say that partnership between United States and Morocco is a history. There is a very long history in partnership, and we are very happy that this cooperation in all fields, and especially in higher education, will continue, will develop. So thank very much for all your support and your all contributors. I want also to thank all persons that are contributing to this, to launch these projects, to support and to finish very well these different programs in mechatronics, in leadership, and also especially the School of Science and Technology, École Supérieure of Technology, Madam Directors Ben Azzi, and all the teams. I am very sorry that I can't say everybody, but also the new directors, Professor Zaghloul, to continue this contribution. And of course there is implication and involvement of other schools of our university, maybe for example École Nationale de commerce et de gestion, the School of Business and Trading, that they work very hard to develop, for example, entrepreneurship culture and other schools. I want to say also that this program was really very innovative because it's a diversity, there is a close cooperation, and there is a very good efficiency. So we are very happy because there is involvement of many people, it's faculty or professors, students, and also staff. So thank you very well for this cooperation. I want to say also that our university, in the strategy to empower this kind of fields, especially mechatronics and entrepreneurship, we'll be very happy to work with companies and especially CGM. So now our university have finished the first part of the technologic campus near the airport. And in this campus, there is incubator, there is R&D laboratories, there is also spaces dedicated to receive people for exchange program. Is a nice hotel, and also facilitates to have education and especially continuing education. So our hope is that we can develop and continue cooperation with our friends from United States, especially USAID and also HED and Gateway and others, if there is opportunities to help us to transfer this kind of knowledge south-south. So really our university is now a carrefour. It's a carrefour between Europe and Africa. And our hope is that we can put a hub to give some education, continuing education, some expertise, if I say, in some fields. There is many fields that humanity need, and especially for sustainability development. And for example, of course, we have entrepreneurship culture, because now the contribution of private sector is very important, and also the close partnership between public and private sectors. Also, there is other kinds of fields, for example, water, environmental problems, and renewable energy. And also education in general, and health, because we try to develop also health sector, because now we have a medicine school. In the next time, there is a starting of the hospital university. So, and there is a huge needs in this field, and I think that we can't say that we are developing higher education without developing health sector, and they must go closely. So our hope for the future is our colleagues from the United States will be partners with us in this strategy to have this, to give opportunities for other countries to benefit with this expertise and this knowledge. Other thing, just to finish my my speech, is we are inside many European programs. Campuses, for example, Erasmuses. We are in Tunis, Africa, for example. Donc, we work also with Maghreb Union, because in February we have creating the Union of Maghreb University, and our university is the leader now of this union. And now there is more than 30 universities in this network. And in April, we will have the first conference in Algeria at Constantine, and think that this network will be more than 70 universities. So there is many possibilities. We work also together to develop cooperation with South African university, with Senegal, for example, with Mali and other countries. And also we have a very important cooperation with French universities in Belgium. And there are our partners, and the American, they're the two important partners in our university. And my hope is that UMP, and of course we are in the network of all Moroccan universities, that United States and Belgium go with us to develop this hub of education. So I'm very happy to be here. I wish you a very good stay. We are really very happy to meet you again. For some people that are our friends, and for people that are coming it's the first time here, I hope that there will be many opportunities, many occasions to visit us. Have a good stay, and thank you very much for all your help and your all kindness.